Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken chili. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, which can be breast or thighs. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 2 colorful bell peppers, and 2 cloves of garlic. For the base, grab 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, and for the beans, 1 15-ounce can each of kidney and black beans. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin for that classic flavor. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get them ready for cooking. First, dice your chicken into bite-sized 1-inch pieces. This ensures it cooks evenly and quickly. Next, finely chop your large onion and both bell peppers. Mince those 2 cloves of garlic very well to release their full aroma. Remember to drain and rinse both the kidney and black beans thoroughly. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. With our ingredients prepped, it's time to start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your diced chicken and sauté it until it's lightly browned on all sides, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, toss in the chopped onion, bell peppers, and minced garlic. Cook these aromatic vegetables until they are softened, typically 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, stir in your 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin, cooking for just 1 minute to toast the spices. We're almost there. Now, pour in the entire 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Add your drained and rinsed kidney and black beans to the pot. Give everything a good stir to combine all those wonderful flavors. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your delicious chicken chili hot with your favorite toppings, like shredded cheese or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.